Če tega prispevka ne boste gledali v celoti, znate biti malce zmedeni. Namreč, na predstavitvi Toyotinega modela se bomo pogovarjali tudi s Subarujevimi strokovnjaki. Pomota? Nikakor ne. Le da smo priča še enemu uspešnemu sodelovanju dveh uveljavljenih avtomobilskih znamk. Vseeno se redko zgodi, da sta na enem dogodku prisotni obe znamki. Zato je bilo logično, da smo najprej vprašali, zakaj je temu tako.
Because this is a Toyota Subaru event. We're bringing two products. The first one is the major dish. It's a Solterra. It's an electric car, electric SUV. And then we brought our first bZ. That's why. We're building both cars together, right? So we're building the Solterra on Toyota's lines. And the bZ and GR86 are built on Subaru lines. So this is why you're here.
In zakaj so pri Toyoti izbrali Subaru?
Even if we are a big company and we have a lot of resource, but we have many projects, right? We work not only on electric, but hybrid, fuel cell. So we need resource to develop cars. And other manufacturers, Japanese, they also need resource to develop electrical cars. So we said, okay, why not working together? And we had already experience with Subaru, with the GT86 and the bZ, but also because we have quite some ground in common in terms of values and a vision for the future. So we thought for this first model, that's a good way to work together.
Če tudi obe znamki prihajata z Daljnega vzhoda, pa imata različne produkte in predvsem drugačne kupce.
Yeah, the Subaru buyers, they're quite different to the Toyota buyers. Toyota sort of serves a much wider range of customers. We're a niche brand, right? So if you ask them what they want, very simple answer. Safe, fun, tough. They want a safe car. So safety is not a hygiene factor. You need to explain to them why it's safe, and it is. The Solterra comes with eyesight system. It has a slightly different name, but it's very important for them. 87% of our buyers, they choose Subaru because it has this system. You know, the camera in front, that adds an extra pair of eyes to the driver and an extra foot on the brake. Super safe system, they want that. They want something which is fun. Fun is a low-resolution word. I don't like it so much, but it's practical to explain to you, right? Fun means loads of space in the trunk, big cargo space. They need that. They're adventurous, outdoorsy people. And it's also fun because they want something that drives like a real Subaru. It needs to be fast. It is, it's electric. It's actually the same speed. Acceleration from 0 to 100 is 6.9 seconds, same as the bZ automatic. So it's not as fast as the WRX STI, but it's the faster SUV we've ever had. And then the third point is tough. They want something which lasts. Why? They keep their cars a very long time. So we told them, look, you don't need to worry because the batteries you can keep for 10 years and 1 million kilometers. They're happy with that. And they want tough because they tend to drive everywhere. A lot of off-road. So we've got a permanent all-wheel drive system. Toyota also has an all-wheel drive system. It's not permanent all-wheel drive. We have permanent all-wheel drive. It's always the four wheels in motion, always. Our customers want that. That makes the car makes them feel confident to tackle any terrain.
Za razliko od Subaruja, kjer so izbrali običajno ime, pa je Toyotino precej nenavadno. A je razlaga toliko bolj logična.
It means it's a new nomenclature for our battery electric, so only electric vehicle. It means beyond zero. So this means that our zero emission is not the only thing we want. We want to go beyond that with customer experience, with full life cycle. That's what we mean by beyond zero. And then the 4 means the size of the vehicle. So it's basically it's for a D segment, and the X is for a crossover SUV type, body type.
Ime pravzaprav pove vse, no skoraj vse. Vseeno je potrebno dodati, da je bZ4x v nekaterih detajlih prepoznavna Toyota, po drugi strani pa tudi zares izraža njihov moto Beyond Zero. Ne zgolj ničelne emisije. Avto prinaša mirnost, združeno z eleganco in tehnološko naprednostjo. Počutje v avtomobilu pa je ne nad ničlo, temveč nad povprečjem. Medtem ko bo Subarujeva Solterra na voljo zgolj 4-kolesnim pogonom, bo bZ4x na voljo s prednjim ali s 4-kolesnim pogonom. Slednji je namenjen predvsem tistim voznikom, ki bi se z avtom radi podali tudi na brezpotja. Združeno znanje s Subarujem je zagotovilo, da štirikolesni pogon zagotavlja več, kot si večina voznikov v vožnji sploh upa. Predvsem pa velja izpostaviti inteligentnost pogona, ki izkorišča hipni električni navor. V to smo se prepričali med testno vožnjo po brezpotju, ko avto tudi na spolzki podlagi drži smer celo veliko bolje kot klasično gnani avtomobili. Odvisno od pogona bo moč motorja 150 ali pri štirikolesnem pogonu 160 kW. Baterije s kapaciteto 71,4 kWh naj bi v idealnih pogojih zadoščale za doseg večji od 500 km, a brez pravega testa je slednje težko potrditi. Že zgolj štirikolesni pogon v primerjavi z dvokolesnim odščipne 50 km, skoraj 100 km razlike v dosegu pa je odvisno zgolj od velikosti izbranih koles. Pri Toyoti obljubljajo, da se bodo baterije od 20 do 80% na hitri polnilnici napolnile v pol ure. A ker vemo, da elektrika trenutno še ni za vsakogar, pri Toyoti pa imajo odlične hibridne motorje, nas je seveda zanimalo, ali prihod električnih motorjev pomeni konec za hibridne.
So that technology, as I explained, is partly already going into this electrical car. So the electric, the battery, all the knowledge of 25 years, we already put this into this electrical car. And we will continue to develop for the pure electric. But at the same time, there are customers out there for which electrical car doesn't work. And for them, we still want to offer them a technology to reduce their CO2 footprint, but that's still accessible and they can use on everyday life. Therefore, we still develop hybrid system. And just to give you the example, we recently launched the 5th generation hybrid, where we improve the whole drivability performance and at the same time reduce the fuel consumption. And then if we think global, as Toyota is a global company, there are still a lot of regions, in the world where electric cars simply won't work. And for those customers, we still need to offer a solution for mobility. And we believe hybrid or plug-in hybrid will work better in other regions. So that's why we are still going to continue to develop a hybrid technology.